everybody, we are going to make eggnog today. It's a real delicious Christmas drink that many of you are probably real familiar with, and you can buy it at the store or you can make it homemade and it's delicious. Okay, so what we have here, we have 6 egg yolks and we're going to beat those for just a couple of minutes. We've got a half a cup of sugar we're going to add to it. And we're just going to mix it for a couple of minutes till it's nice and creamy.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Okay, I think that's probably good. Sorry, guys. Okay. So next we're going to mix the heavy cream, 1 cup. And then we're going to need 2 cups of milk. Perfect. Okay. And then we're going to need a half a teaspoon of nutmeg. That's okay. You can just stir it on this, maybe a little on the side. That'll be okay. One-half teaspoon of nutmeg. Nutmeg really makes the eggnog, gives it that really good distinctive flavor that a lot of the other spices don't have. And I'm going to do a pinch of salt. A pinch of salt is just what it says. It's a little pinch, like that. And that's all we need. And then we're just going to mix this while it's heating. We really don't want the milk to burn or to scorch. So we just need to keep mixing it while it's heating up so it doesn't stick to the pan and get a burnt flavor. And this will take a couple of minutes. You just kind of mix it. Turn it up a little bit. Just to a simmer. A simmer is when you get a little bit of bubbling on top and you can see the steam kind of coming up, but it's not boiling and it's not real hot. It's just warm enough to heat the milk and the cream. Then we're going to add that to our egg yolks.
Eventually.
Just a tiny bit so it's not quite so high. Now what we're going to do is we are going to whisk. Here, how about you do the whisking, Brad?
Sure.
While I take a little bit of the nut mixture and lift it off the heat so that it doesn't continue to get too hot. And we're just going to put a little in there and mix it. Oops.
Okay.
A little at a time. And if you've ever made scrambled eggs, or you know what it's like to see scrambled eggs, what we're trying to do is keep the egg from scrambling. We just want to mix it so it's creamy, but not too much at a time. So it gradually heats.
Now it's looking like eggnog.
Yeah, looks good. Maybe just a tiny bit more, and then we're going to pour that mixture into the pot and heat it up.
You ready to have me pour it?
Yeah. Now we're going to mix this for just a few minutes, a couple of minutes, and let it thicken up a little bit. Then we'll put it in the fridge to get cold. And then after it's been in the fridge and it's cold, it'll thicken up more. And then you take it out and pour it in the cups. I like to put it, you can put a little cinnamon on top and a little bit of whipped cream, and you've got a wonderful, wonderful drink.
Soon after.
And you can see it's starting to thicken just a little, not real thick. It'll do most of the thickening when it's cold and cooling off in the refrigerator.
Kind of like pudding.
Uh-huh. Might want to let it cool off for just a minute before we pour it in the plastic cups, because it might be too hot to pour in the plastic cups.
Many hours later.
Eggnog has been sitting in the refrigerator overnight, and it smells really good, and it's thickened up quite a bit too. So what we're going to do is put it in the cups, and then put a little whipped cream on top, and a little sprinkle of cinnamon.
I'll hold the cups so they don't tip over.
You need a little tiny bit more.
Alrighty.
Do that one.
That's okay.
Messy. And if you look close, you can see little speckles of the nutmeg inside the drink.
Alright.
With the whipped cream.
Cream on it. cinnamon. And it's ready to drink.
That's it.